Hi, today we are going to learn about bar chart. A bar graph is a graph in which the information, that is the data, is represented by using bars of different heights. A bar chart consists of two axes, namely vertical axis, which is y-axis, and the horizontal axis, which is x-axis. For example, how to represent the data in the bar graph. Let's learn with the help of an example. Let's say if we have to represent the data given in the below table in the bar chart. Step 1 would be give the title of the bar graph. Step 2, draw the horizontal axis, which is x-axis, and vertical axis, which is y-axis. Now label the horizontal axis and vertical axis. Step 4, make rectangular bars with equal gaps for each category and give height to their respective numbers. Step 5. The bar graph is ready. Observe the height of the rectangular bars to compare. Now, how to interpret the bar graph? Let's learn with the help of an example. The bar graph given below represents the favorite fruits of 190 students. Answer the questions that follow. Which fruit is liked by the least number of students? So the answer here would be kiwi. We can see that the rectangular bar of the smallest height represents the least number of students. Next is how many students like oranges. The bar representing orange lies exactly in between 30 and 40, that is 35. So we can say that 35 students like oranges. Let's try another question. Interpret the following bar graph carefully and answer the questions that follows. How many students like basketball? We can see the bar graph that represents basketball lines up with 15. Therefore, number of students who like basketball is equal to 15.